Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY. First, my little disclaimer, this is not financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested in Mara, Riot, Hive, Argo, Bitfarms, hashrate, K1, DMG, DigiHost, Anycoin, and Luxfolio. So let's jump right into it. So we had a huge week here. For example, on the FTX exchange, like 7,000, 8,000 US dollars within minutes here, minus 11%. So that was a nice whale attack on the leveraged longs. We saw this, the funding rate was going up. A lot of fools are starting these leveraged positions again when we have this new all-time high. So yeah, yesterday I was saying starting a long position or a leveraged long position would make sense here, but yeah, I mean, this was expected. But the good news is here, first we retested again this 59, 58K level here, which is very significant here for Bitcoin. And yeah, we got a nice bounce. So there's a lot of buyers stepped in here. I hope this is not temporary and we will get another week down. Right now it looks like yeah, a lot of buyers stepped in and we had this huge recovery here on the 1 hour. It's like yeah, 10% or 6,000 US dollars within minutes, which is insane. Yeah, let's see how Bitcoin here develops. Ethereum on the other side had an even bigger week to the downside. We were very, very close to the all-time high of 4,400 US dollars. A drop to 3,800, so that's a 13% drop. Yeah, but we're recovering also here very fast. So that's very interesting. Yeah, I think it shows the strength of the market right now that such a big attack was absorbed very, very fast. Yeah, but we have news from mining companies here. First of all, Hive Blockchain. So every 2 weeks we get a new miner purchase update here. So they bought close to 600 petahash for 6,500 new miners. They're from Canaan. It's the 90 terahash machine there. And the good thing is they will receive them over the next 130 days. Yeah, until February or so. They will be all installed here in 3 tranches, 3,000 in December, 3,100 in January, and 400 in February. So this is not like December 2022, so this is very close. And yeah, that's very nice. Hive says, okay, we will add 3.7 Bitcoin a day at the market conditions right now. More important here is that we now have 1.2 exahash online here for Hive for Bitcoin mining. By December they want to have 2 exahash and end of March like 3 exahash. So that's huge growth here, fast growth. And we have still the Ethereum mining. So they are right now at 4,000 gigahash or 4 terahash, which is approximately right now like 0.5% of the total network here, because it's 811 terahash right now, the hash rate, and they have 4, so that's 0.5%. I think when they grow to these 6 exahash over the upcoming months, I think they will have it somewhere in December, hopefully, these 6 terahash. Yeah, then I think we could increase our share to 0.7% or so. I mean, the overall hash rate for Ethereum will rise, like maybe to 1,000 terahash. Yeah, but it looks like the Hive hash rate will rise faster here. And I'm bullish on Ethereum as I'm bullish on Bitcoin. These are, I think, the two biggest. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is the biggest one. Bitcoin is gold, but Ethereum will also rise like crazy. That's for sure, in my opinion. And so it's good to be diversified. And Hive Blockchain is right now, yeah, at a revenue of approximately 800,000 US dollars a day. So the Bitcoin mining here with 1.2 exahash, it's like 500,000 US dollars here. The costs, the operational costs should be at 50,000, so a gross mining margin of close to 90%. And the Ether mining with 4 terahash is right now at 330,000, so it's more than 800,000 US dollars right now for Hive Blockchain a day. That means like a revenue of 300 million a year if we continue like this. And yeah, let's go to the end of the year with like, hopefully we have the 6 exahash here for Ether mining. So with the conditions right now, it would be close to 500,000 US dollars here. And the Bitcoin mining, yeah, like 830,000. So that would be 1.3 million US dollars a day with the market conditions of today. So I think Hive will surpass in November the $1 million level in daily revenue per day. That's my guess here. And will follow Mara and Riot. They are both now above 1 million with their 2.7, 2.6 exahash or maybe 3 exahash right now. They're way above 1 million. And I think Hive is going to be the first one. Maybe then Bitfarms or Hut will follow. Argo will take a little bit longer here, I guess. Yeah, very exciting for Hive Blockchain. Also, what they're saying here, the HODL strategy is HODL all the Bitcoins they mine. They have now 1,266. They're not talking about Ether, so I think they're selling some Ether to fund the operations and to not dilute the stock. Yeah, you can discuss about this. Should they HODL all the Ether and dilute more? But I think it's a nice level out strategy because they already have 25,000 Ether on the balance sheet. And I think this number will be stable. And I think they're using some of the mined Ether to fund the operations for Bitcoin and Ether mining. With this high profitability right now, they don't have to sell a lot of Ether to do this. So that's going to be interesting in the upcoming financials, which we get hopefully, at time in November. These are the news from Hive Blockchain. Very nice. Also, the stock is doing fantastic right now after this long sideways period. Let's check this out here. In February, we had the top here at 7 Canadian dollars approximately. We're now at 5, so we're still way below. But I think you can see here the where the chart could go here. Maybe we'll get a little sideways action or correction here because the RSI is starting to run a little bit hot here. But overall, I'm very bullish on Hive Blockchain, as you probably already know. Then we got news from Hut mining. We had this huge offering a few weeks ago. They made like 170 million US dollars, and people were asking, okay, how do they spend the money? So they bought additional 12,000 microBT miners, a mix from M30s, M30S Plus, and M30S Plus Plus. So I think this one here is the with 112 terahash per miner. And as we expect from Hut 8, the price per terahash is low compared to the spot prices we have right now for new equipment, which is approximately $100 US per terahash. So Hut bought like $50 US per terahash, so they're paying now $58.7 million US for 1.17 exahash. Delivery will start in January within tranches of 1,000 per month, so they will have 12 tranches until December 2022. So that brings the total contracted capacity to 3.57 exahash for BTC mining, and they already have these 1,600 gigahash for Ether mining, or HPC computing applications. And so Hut 8 is growing. What I really like is that they tell us what they're paying for the miners. You can see that they're not FOMOing in when the prices are high. They're waiting for a good deal, and then they increase their fleet step by step. This could make sense because if we would get another drop in the Bitcoin price, the price per hash rate will go down again, and then you can make another purchase. So maybe it's not always smart to make this one huge order. So do it in tranches like Hive Blockchain is doing or Hut 8 is doing. Yeah, so Hut 8, the chart also looks pretty nice here. We have this cup and handle here playing out on the Canadian dollar chart. Maybe this here is the neckline here. And we had this breakout. We had some kind of confirmation here. We had a retest. And yeah, hopefully we'll start now to the target of 24 Canadian dollars or so. I think if Bitcoin keeps rising, this is very possible here for the short term. What's also nice today is that Argo Blockchain is starting a little bit to rise here on London Stock Exchange. It's up 6% right now, so I hope this is the bottom here and we see now a sharp rise to play a little bit catch up here. Because yeah, I tweeted a few days ago my purchase here for Argo. It was exactly here. So if this is the bottom, I bought the bottom, and that feels good right now. Okay, guys, so yeah, I think that's it for today. Don't get shaken out because of stuff like this here. We will always have these kind of wicks. We already know this. Hopefully it does not play out like this, like the El Salvador wick here, that we have like 2-3 weeks downwards pressure here. Yeah, but this wick here is bought up very fast. So in my opinion, this looks bullish. Yeah. We have some very nice charts and numbers here from Anthony here on Twitter. He did some stuff here about Argo Blockchain, the share price compared to Bitcoin price, the hash rate, when will it come online, and so on. So that's very nice. Thank you for this. Yeah, and yeah, people are asking me, yeah, when will we go up, or where are we now in the cycle, and so on. So I want to show you this chart here. This shows the gold chart of 1970 till now approximately. Yeah, and the gold ETF was approved, I think, in March 2003. So that was somewhere here, and you can see what happened after over a time period of like 10 years or so. But yeah, this is also possible for Bitcoin because we have now the first ETF approval. It's a futures ETF, so it's not that kind of a big deal in my opinion. I am hoping for the physical Bitcoin ETF, which is gonna be like a lot bigger, but I hope this will happen also soon, and hopefully we'll start something like this here. Okay guys, so I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.